Sorry guys, our camera died. So mine looks like strawberry paste.
And mine looks like blue sparkly toothpaste.
Okay, now we gotta activate it. So we have contact solution and baking soda. Add some.
Okay, now let's mix it.
Mixing.
Oh my gosh, Tierney, mine is already turning into slime. Look at this.
Mine too.
You guys, if you use this stuff right here, it makes your slime quickly turn into it.
We need some more baking soda in. Add some more baking soda in our slime.
Okay, that's enough.
That's way bigger than mine.
Yeah, because I have a bigger container.
Yeah, we have bigger.
If you were a girl, then we would have definitely invited you into our video, but sorry.
Sorry, you make a big mess when you make slime.
I was asking you guys if you can make me slime so I don't make a big mess.
But you add a lot of stuff.
I won't add a lot of stuff. You do all.
I'm gonna fill
You
it.
put the good
Okay,
stuff.
no.
Okay.
Oh my god, guys. I think we need more baking.
Nice.
You mix it, I guess. Tierney, look at my slime. You guys, comment down below if you think my slime is way better.
Hey, mine's way better because mine's
Yeah,
ice cream
hers
cream.
is so better. Like, I should have added pink. Because look at hers. Hers is light pink. Everybody loves light pink. Look at mine. It's just a total flop. Oh, you guys, look at this. It's already turning into slime. Okay, that's it. Okay, let me mix that.
Sorry, guys, I'm standing.
Oh, me too. I don't know why. I just love to stand while I mix for some reason.
I'm very tall, so I can't stand. I think. Oh my god, it's so fluffy.
Do you like my shirt? It flips.
Do you need more?
Hold on, let me fill it.
Ooh.
Yeah, I need
Don't be sweeping that glitter everywhere. You're supposed to just sweep it in one little pile and then put it in the dustbin.
Oh my gosh, you guys, my slime is so fluffy.
Oh, I think we're gonna need more activator.
Okay, where's that activator? Oh, right. We don't have any more. We only have a little bit.
So we'll come back when our slime is slime.